This is the KGP 1542S high precision double column surface grinding machine from Kent. This is quite a machine and has some really special features which make this a class leader. A machine of this size needs a super rigid base for the kind of loads it will labour under, and the KGP series has a very high grade tempered cast iron base with heavy ribbing for superb support under extreme loading. Precision ground, hand scraped and Tersite B coated combination V and flat ways on the base provide stable, smooth movement through the oversized hydraulic cylinder for the large 4200mm work table. Kent double column grinders come in two specific flavours, with the option of either moving or fixed beam style available. Both types have a 1.5 metre working width and work tables of up to 6 metres in length as options. As you can see in this fixed beam model, the boxways on the beam really are huge, so you need have no worries about their stability under heavy cutting loads. The elevation heads on the KGP guarantee stability under heavy loading with their oversized boxways and ultra-rigid construction. All of the slideways on the KGP series are precision ground, hand scraped and Tersite B coated for the best possible lubrication and movement precision, no matter the load placed upon them. The overhead wheel dresser on the KGP is servo motor and ball screw driven for precise wheel dressing. Additionally, the KGP series features auto grinding cycles and auto dressing cycles with auto compensation as standard. The horizontal flange-type grinding head on the KGP is equipped with a 20 horsepower motor for heavy-duty cutting and a cartridge-type spindle with 3 sets of CP4 class super high-precision bearings. A high-power 40 horsepower spindle is also available as an option. A special feature of the KGP is the optional vertical grinding head, which features a worm gear controlled swivel movement for precise positioning for angular grinding. This optional second head has a powerful 10 horsepower motor driving the cartridge type spindle for heavy duty cutting. The control panel for the KGP is based on the Mitsubishi PLC and servo. This provides several different touchscreens for easy operator input of all of the grinding and dressing variables, including the increment and times for rough and fine feed, as well as spark out times, wheel elevation and auto compensation for wheel dressing. Let's have a look at the KGP in action. As you can see, this very large workpiece is no problem for the KGP, with high precision grinding from both heads for a perfect surface finish on this huge workpiece. The KGP series from Kent offers you all the rigidity in operation and flexibility of application that you'll need for surface and angular grinding of these large workpieces. With the super rigid structure, oversized work area and optional second grinding head, this is a great machine for large workpiece surface grinding. Kent's addition of the simple to use conversational control panel adds ease of setup and operation to this highly efficient, multi-purpose, high precision double column grinding machine.